Okay, you slept 8 hours. So why do you still wake up feeling like a half-charged phone? Seriously, what's draining all your energy? Before we get to the main reason, let's call out the usual troublemakers. Late-night coffee, heavy food, stress, and, yeah, your phone. These 4 love messing with your sleep. But the biggest issue? Your brain never actually shuts down. If you're scrolling right before bed, your brain switches into alert mode, like it's watching out for danger. And when it's stuck in that state, the overnight cleanup system never kicks in. So your body sleeps, but your brain is still halfway awake, dealing with leftover notifications and thoughts, the waste and toxins it's supposed to flush out. Yeah, those just stay there. And that's why you wake up foggy, heavy, and tired. Good news, fixing it isn't complicated. Put your phone away 30 minutes before bed. Skip late coffee. Don't go full buffet mode for dinner. And give your brain a chance to cool down. Try this for a few nights. You'll wake up lighter, clearer, and actually refreshed. Your brain will thank you in the morning.